Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir. Right, can I see your driver's license?
Huh?
Driver's license.
Yeah. Forget this one.
Driver's license. Right, good stuff. Now you make yourself comfortable, yeah?
Okay.
I'll keep this.
Okay.
Right, get yourself ready. Today we've got Tony in for driving test, first attempt. He's had a couple of attempts before in his own car and obviously wasn't successful. So how many lessons have you had with me, Tony?
We done 10 lessons, sir.
10 lessons?
Yeah.
So you've had about 20 hours?
Yes.
Are you sure? Just been trying to get rid of all of his bad habits that he had learned in India, isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
Right. Have you any questions before we start?
No, we can start now.
We can start.
Yeah.
Now we want a lovely, smooth drive. I want you to stay calm and relaxed, okay?
Okay, sir.
Right. I'm getting the seatbelt on. When you're ready.
Okay.
Now, do you think we should put the lights on today? Are you going to sing today?
No.
No, what? You've got the voice of an angel. It's all good technique, sir. All good technique. Right, now we're going to do the emergency stop again.
Okay, sir.
Concentrate. Brake first, okay?
Okay.
Stop. Much better. Well done. Well done, yeah?
Okay.
Good stuff. Drive on when you're ready. Do you understand now?
Okay, sir.
Excellent, excellent. As long as you get the mirrors in, that's good, yeah?
Okay.
Is there anything you want to do again before we go to the test centre?
No, sir. It's fine.
You sure?
Yeah.
Take the next road to the left. Are you nervous?
No, it's fine.
Good. You give them your best drive today, yeah?
Yeah.
Keep you on the wrong side of the road. You're on the wrong side.
Yeah, sure.
You need to be over here.
Okay. We are going straight.
Turning right. No, Tony. Into the test centre.
Oh.
Yeah.
Right.
Right into the test centre.
Here?
Yes. Just go around the block again. That's the test centre, isn't it?
So I think so. We'll park over there.
Turn right. Ah, you used to park over there, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Right. Turn right again. Throw to the right.
Okay, sir.
Reverse into that one next to the one there. Now look, reverse it in.
Here?
That one there. See it? That one. All around first. Tony, you've got to keep looking all around the car. Just lift the clutch up and get it moving into the beer. It's lovely. Just get it moving into the beer. Go on, lift the clutch up, man. Right, that'll do. They're waiting there, look.
What's that?
Where they're waiting.
Wait there?
The examiner's waiting for us to get in. Not.
Okay.
You put your hand out and put you on. Right.
Everything, everything's fine, sir.
Yeah, turn your lights off. You have to keep looking all around the car, Tony. You can't reverse back just staring in the door mirror. Have you got that?
Okay, sir.
You've got to keep looking all around the car. Now, I need you to focus and concentrate. If you're not sure where you're going, can you ask the examiner?
Okay.
If there's anything you're not sure about, will you please ask him? Yeah?
Okay, sir.
Have you got that?
Yeah.
Right. It's been very hard work with Tony. He doesn't understand me and I don't understand him. So just had loads of bad habits, but hopefully he's going to get rid of them all today. Give us a prediction, Tony. How many faults you're going to how many you're going to record? Minors. How many?
No, I don't know.
Well, are you going to pass or fail?
I don't know, sir.
Are you going to pass or fail, do you think?
Pass, yeah.
Good. Now, how many faults do you think? How many minor faults?
Minor fault is almost 6 something.
We'll go for the normal 4. Well, we'll go for 4, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, it's time to wish him the very best of luck. He deserves to get his license. He needs it for a job, don't you? Oh, wait, Tony, do you want me to sit in the back of the car?
Pardon?
Do you want me to sit in the back of the car?
Yeah, yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah, of course.
Now, remember, I'm not allowed to help. I cannot say anything, but if you're not sure, just ask the examiner. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Right, Howie, then let's go and strut your stuff. Well, the back of test. Tell them what you've done, Tony. Show them that.
Yeah, we got the license.
You got the license.
Yeah, I got the license.
Yeah. I don't know how. The examiner's going to stop the test. We went the wrong way one more time. Did you not hear what he said? He said turn left and you drove straight on. Twice. Yeah, but you're glad, are you?
Huh?
Are you glad? Happy?
I am very happy to see this one, yeah.
You must have been praying, were you?
Yeah, I need to take it, yeah.
Oh, well done.
At last I got this, got this. Yeah. Got this.
You got it?
I got it.
Ah, see me. Oh, well done, Tony. Well done.
Thank you, sir. It's all about your support.
Well,
Yeah, your teaching ability and all.
well, I take my hat off to you. You said you were going to do it, didn't you?
Pardon?
You said you were going to pass?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, well done. Are you glad it's over?
Pardon?
Are you glad that it's over with?
Yeah, I'm very glad.
Very happy?
He's very happy. It's very difficult to get here in the UK. Finally we got this one. It's nice.
Hey, well done. Well done, Tony.